Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious ramen broth, often called ramen juice, right in your own kitchen. We'll start by gathering just a few key ingredients to build a foundational flavor. This easy guide will help you create a rich and savory base for your favorite ramen dishes. You'll be surprised how simple it is to achieve a restaurant-quality taste with minimal effort and common pantry items. Let's dive into the first steps. For a simple yet flavorful broth, you'll need a few core components. Start with about 6 cups of water. A 4-inch piece of kombu, a type of dried kelp, is essential for that deep umami flavor. Don't forget 4 to 6 dried shiitake mushrooms, which add a wonderful earthy aroma. Fresh ginger and garlic also add aromatic depth. Finally, 1/4 cup of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of mirin will provide the perfect balance of savory and sweet notes to your broth. Now let's get cooking. Begin by soaking your kombu and dried shiitake mushrooms in about 6 cups of water for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight for deeper flavor. Next, gently heat this mixture over medium-low heat. It's important to remove the kombu just before the water reaches a boil to prevent bitterness. Continue to simmer the shiitake mushrooms for about 20 minutes, then strain the liquid to create your clear, flavorful broth base. Once your broth base is ready, it's time to season it to perfection. Add about 1/4 cup of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of mirin to the strained liquid. Taste the broth and adjust the seasonings as needed, perhaps adding a small pinch of salt or a dash more soy sauce to suit your preference. This rich, savory broth is now ready to be paired with your favorite ramen noodles and an array of delicious toppings, creating a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.